Hello, good morning. Today is another day. I'm still here in the Philippine Orthopedic Center for my rehab, and I still have my cough. Anyway, so now since I am distant from my children, I still don't want to stop teaching them. Anyway, so for now, Halloween edition of my spelling training with my children. Okay, so OB, Kaiser, here's your first word. Okay, first word for today is impetus. Impetus. That's your first word. Impetus. Okay, second word, liquidity. Liquidity. Third word, carpe diem. Carpe diem. Fourth word, discernment. Discernment. Fifth word, capitulate. Capitulate. Again, fifth word, capitulate. Sixth word, disdain. Disdain. Seventh word, abhor. Abhor. Eighth word, lineage. Eighth word, lineage. Nine, symposium. Ninth word, symposium. Tenth word, dehiscence. Dehiscence. Tenth word, dehiscence. Okay? So, what I want you to do is search for the, spell it out, send it to me, or post it in Facebook. Check for the definition, check for the synonym and antonym, and check for the usage. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Okay, so this is the Halloween edition of our what's this of our spelling bee. Okay, for Kaiser, remember your what's this? You're still not yet finished with your what's this? With your declamation. For OB, I've given you an assignment already. I'm waiting. Me and your mom is waiting for it. Are waiting for it. Your book review and your delivery of the speech. Okay, your also your declamation that I've given you. Okay, understood. So pray for me. I'm still here in the Philippine Orthopedic Center. I will do my best to get back to shape. Okay. At the moment, this is what I can do to help you. Okay. Thank you mga anak. You're giving me a reason to live. Okay. Though I may not show you it, I love you all. Okay. So study well.